In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in TrillerTV account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in TrillerTV.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of TrillerTV. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to log into your account, it is actually very simple. Click on the account icon that you can see right over here on this interface. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to log into your account. Simply click on this option login. Now after you do that, you'll be able to log into your account. All you have to do is enter your email address and password over here. Click on the field of email. Now what you have to do is simply provide your email address over here. Make sure to enter the email address associated with your account. After you do that, also enter the password. Click on the field of password and enter the password. After you do that, check on this box, I'm not a robot. Now after it has been verified, what you have to do is click on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in TrillerTV account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.